Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, students. Thank you for your participation during the class. Today we have studied lesson number 1.5 about family history. So in this lesson, we have learned about people and tracing their ancestors. English section, we'll use the which and that, who and whose in defining relatives clause. Look at the words in the geography. Keep word box, and which are continents, which are countries, which is the point of compass. Here you can see the keywords in the geography box: Africa, Asia, China, Europe, Indonesia, and Southeast Asia. Right. So here we go. All right, Africa is a continent, Asia is a continent, China is a country, Europe is a continent, Indonesia is a country, and south is the point of southeast is the point of compass, right? Okay, in reading, look at the map and read the article to find out about scientific approach to family history. What does the map show? Look at this map. Right, so we have read all the text here. I'm not going to repeat it. I'll go for the question and answers here. Look at this. How did Serena find out about her ancestor? What did she find out? We're going to write answers. A DNA test where ancestors travel from Africa to Europe, right? That's answer option number one. Here's C, the B. How did Zach's ancestor reach Canada? Can people today make the same journey? A land bridge that linked two continents? No, today it is not possible. All right, then C is where does Ricard live and which route did his ancestors take to get there? You can see they live in Jakarta, Indonesia, and the route they got from Africa to Asia, right? Then how do Serena, Zach, and Ricard feel about their discoveries? They feel fascinated, amazed, interested, and surprised as well. All right, here you can see the use of English, which, that, who, whose, in defining relative clauses. So remember, which, that for things, and who and whose for people. Right? For example, there was once a land bridge. The land bridge linked the two countries. So here we will use that there was once a land bridge which linked the two countries, or that linked the two countries, right? If we talk about here, we're talking about the thing, bridge, right? Then if we talk about the people, like I share ancestry with people, those people live in the countries far away, and you can see that I share ancestry with people who live in the country far away, because we're talking about the people. And again, about the people, part of a family, our ancestors travel a long way to get here, and I'm part of a family whose ancestors travel a long way. So the things to remember, which and that for the things, and who and whose for we use for people to join the sentences, right? Here, see question number 3, join these sentences together with which, that, who, and whose. So number 1 is already you can see the example is given here. You can do a DNA test. The test you where your ancestors came from. You can do a DNA test, right? That or which tells you where your ancestors came from. All right, now see the B, C, D, and E, how we are going to complete it. Right? B, who, C, which and that, D, whose, and E, which or that. All right, the question number 4 is over to you guys, that you guys work in pairs. how would you explain your parents or friends what you have learned from reading A Remarkable Journey? You're going to do in the same way here as we have read during the class. All right. So this is it for the lesson number 1.5. I'll see you in the next class. Take care of yourself.